Hi everybody, welcome to Nobody's Beauty Guru. My name is Julie and today I am here with my Peeping Pan update. I have a couple products that I hit pan on, one product that I'm going to move out because I realized I just don't use it and I'm going to declutter it. We're going to talk about what is moving in and out of my Peeping Pan. I'm keeping things rolling, keeping things moving. I'm very excited about the progress. So let me jump into it. If you hear something whirling, it's my very old laptop that I have next to me so that I can keep track of everything for you. I have updated this once before. I will have the intro and the first update linked up here in like the playlist. So I'll have that linked up above. So for Peeping Pan, I started off with the Precious Petals highlighter, hit pan on that, moved it out. Sun Bunny bronzer, hit pan on that, moved it out, although not entirely. I am still trying to finish it, and I'll just show you where I'm at with it because I have made more progress. This is where I'm at on that now. Very little left in that, so I anticipate that being completely done soon, which will be very exciting. Then I had my NYX Taupe bronzer, which you could see in my thumbnail, and I did hit a considerable amount of pan in this and really wear it down. So there is no like waffling on the bottom of this, even though there's waffling kind of in the texture of the product. So it is a flat pan underneath, and I'm getting close to probably hitting secondary pan. But now I've been using this through my crease a lot. I switched to a different crease color, so I'm not using this one as much in my crease. I'm just using it to actually contour my face. Still running through it, still really like it. I'm going to probably move this out and move a different product in though. This is where I'm finishing with this product for this project, but I will be continuing to use it, just not for this project anymore. And if you saw my Get Ready With Me, my Sweetheart collab, I used that and you could see the pan in there and it's even grown since then, which is awesome. Then I also had my IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination in Light. I don't like this. I don't use it. I haven't used it since my last update. It's too light for me. I just don't like colored pressed powder. I like translucent setting powders. I don't use foundation powders. So this is going to go because I just don't use it. It's going to get decluttered. I'm sure that will show up at a declutter at some point, but I'm not going to keep it in my collection. After 2 months of this project, I haven't reached for it at all, so I'm just going to declutter it and move it out of the project. I had put in this MAC shadow, which was like an unnamed MAC shadow that I just wanted to finish up this year, and I managed to hit pan on this one. You can see it in the middle. I'll give you a close-up in a second. So this is what I've been using in the crease instead of that contour color, and I really enjoy it, and I've had a considerable amount of pan. I'm going to keep using it, maybe try to finish this up this year. So that's where I'm at with that. Also had my gelato, and this one I kind of set a tentative goal for getting to the bottom of the B on this. There is like a Bite Beauty stamp on this one, so I'm going to show you my progress, but my real goal is probably to get to the end of the B, which is about halfway done this product. So you can see there's like a little B stamped into it. Can you see it right there? Maybe. But there is like a little B imprint, and I want to get to the bottom of that. This is the progress. I do use this every time I do makeup. I use it as my blush. I put it on the back of my hand and then I stipple it onto my face. You can see how I use this in my Get Ready With Me as well. Really love the product. Going to continue to use it, but my goal for this, for Peeping Pan, is not to completely finish it in the 6 months, but to get to the halfway point, which is right underneath where the B is in that Bite Beauty little stamp. So that's my goal for that. Put in Mittens, I believe. No pan on this one still. This is a just brown Super Shock shadow. Really do like that, but still no pan. There is progress and a big dip, like universally all around, so I'll show you a close-up. So you can see the dip in that is pretty large. With these, you can move product around, so I didn't want to hit superficial pan. I want to hit considerable pan, which is why I'm using a very large space. So I'm just going to continue to use that one and hopefully hit pan. I'm moving in another ColourPop shadow. So what I have left in this project is the Bite Beauty stick, this ColourPop shadow in Mittens, this one in Waddles. This one I'm going to be using as probably just like an all-over lid color base. It has a little tiny bit of use. It's like a shimmery pink. It's like a satin pink color. I enjoy it. It's not bad. It's still very soft. I want to use it before it goes bad. This is a swatch of it. I enjoy it, and I'm just going to probably try to put as many ColourPop shadows into these projects as possible to get as much use as possible before they go bad. Also going to add in, so that I continue to have 5, Glass Bull, which is a ColourPop duochrome shadow that I love. I'm going to show you a swatch of it on its own and then a swatch of it over Waddles. This is a color that I think is gorgeous. It's so unique. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I do, but I already have a considerable dip in it. I'll show you that close up. Here is a swatch of it on its own, and then here's a swatch of it over wattles, which I really like the way that looks, which is why I added wattles in. Here's Glass Bowl close up. This one is a ColourPop pressed shadow that I have been loving. You can also see me use this in the Get Ready With Me tutorial. Goal is to hit pan on that. I also want to hit pan on another shadow, which is Makeup Geek's Corrupt. This is a little bit of a cheat. I'm pretty close to hitting pan. I would anticipate in the next like half dozen times I use it, I will hit pan on this. I use this as a shadow liner. I think I used this in the Get Ready With Me as well. And because I'm so close, I figured I'll add this into the project and hopefully get an easy pan and move another one in and out, because these other ones are probably going to take me a little bit longer. I wanted to put in something that was a little bit easier so that I would have progress and a new product in the next video, because the Bite Beauty and these cream shadows and Glass Bowl are not going anywhere before the next update. This one probably will. So here's where I am with it right now. No pan, but there is a considerable dip in there. I don't know, it's hard to tell on black shadows, but there is a good dip. That is what I will be using for my Peeping Pan. 2 of the ColourPop Super Shock, 1 of the ColourPop Pressed, a Makeup Geek Pressed, and the Bite Beauty multi-stick. So that is what I am moving in and out, and just continuing to use all of the things. So that has been my progress for my Peeping Pan. I hope you guys have enjoyed this particular update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.